Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dog Man, Fetch-22, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 5. A bunch of stuff that happened next.
Welcome back to our new show. And look who's here. It's Dog Man.
He just finished collecting all of the supa brain dots in the city. Now nobody else will develop psychokinetic brain powers or become supa angry. See? I told you nothing would go wrong. Shake a paw, Dog Man. Hey!
The wagon is rolling away!
Get it, Dog Man! Meanwhile...
Alrighty then. The sleeping gas in the room has dissipated. Now it's time for phase 2 of my evil plan. And now for the finishing touch. Perfection! Wait. Okay, sleepyhead, it's time to go. Oh, guard!
Yes, Petey?
My dad just fell asleep.
Oh dear, I'd better get him into bed. And so... Meanwhile... What's happening to us? My brain feels weird. Mine too. It's almost as if we've all developed psychokinetic brain powers somehow.
Yeah!
But how could such a thing have happened? Beats me. Hey! Mommy, where you going?
I ain't your mommy, you little weirdos!
Mommy! Mom! Come back, Mama! Mom! Don't leave us!
What? You shouldn't talk with your mouth full.
Look behind you, dude!
What?
Stay with us, Mom! Mommy, don't go!
How did those ugly things learn to fly?
Dude, maybe you shouldn't antagonize them.
Stay away from me, you slimy green goonies! I'm out of here!
Mama, come back! What should we do?
I have an idea!
Come on, everybody! Let's all work together! Flippo trauma! Ready?
Stop! How did this tree come to life?
We are controlling it with our minds!
Yeah, we're super angry! And we're not gonna let you leave us again! Now, wait just a minute. Maybe we can all work something out.
What are you doing, dude?
Shh! Don't you see? Those powerful little tadpoles and this gigantic monster tree are just what I need to make everything fair.
Oh!
Now put me down and let's be a family. Good. Now all we need is a name for this tree monster. We must find a name that suggests unlimited power, unstoppable evil, and ultimate destruction. A name that will strike terror into the hearts of all.
I've got it! Chapter 6. Barky McTreeface.
We are not calling him Barky McTreeface!
Oh, come on, dude. That's a cool name.
That's the dumbest name I ever heard!
Well, I like it.
So do I!
We love Barky McTreeface. Hey, let's make up a song about him. Yeah.
Okay. You better not!
Barky McTreeface was an evil, rotten blow. He was rough and mean, and his face was green with his arms made out of
Let them out!
Barky McTreeface was so nasty, rude, and tough. He was bad, it's true, but the tadpoles knew how he came to life and stuff. There must have been enchantment in those tadpoles from that swamp. For when they zapped them with their brains, he began to roar and stomp. Down to the city, causing cataclysmic crime. Punching here and there, smashing everywhere. Now it's flip-o-rama time. Do it, ready? Flippity, flip, flip, slappity, slap. Look at Barky punch. Flippity, flip, flip, kickity, kick. He'll eat ya up for lunch.
Look at that destruction! Now things are becoming fair.
Wait a minute. How does this make things fair?
I just lost my job. I lost everything.
Yeah, so?
So now I'm taking everything away from everyone else. You see? Everyone gets nothing.
Oh.
Do you hear me? You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. Now it's fair.
But wait, Mommy! There's still some buildings over there! And the trucks and cars over there!
Well, I can fix that.
Meanwhile... Huh? Hey! What's the big idea? You fell asleep, Grandpa? Grandpa? I'm not Grandpa! I'm Petey! Ha! Silly Grandpa. No! What's wrong, Grandpa? I'm not Grandpa! These aren't my glasses! Yeah, but what about your tail and your whiskers? That's just glue and markers and stuff! Sorry, Grandpa. I'm not falling for your tricks again. Wait a minute. I've got to find my son! Oh, don't worry about him. Petey left here about an hour ago. He had your little grandson with him. Look, you've got to listen to me. That kid is in terrible danger. Let me out of here right now. Okay, Grandpa, whatever you say. The exit is through that door. Haha, yeah. Wait, this is just an ordinary jail cell. Hey, I fooled you this time, Grandpa. Let me out! Oh, I can't believe I got tricked again. I'm really losing my touch, man. How could things get any worse? Oh, your roommate? Meanwhile...
Huh? Hey! Hi, Grandpa.
Huh? I'm not Grandpa. I'm Petey.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
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 No, you're
Yes,
not.
I am.
Okay. Hey, I'm hungry.
Well, go cook some food then, you freeloader. What do I look like? Your servant?
My papa always cooks for me. You did say you were my papa, didn't you?
And so... Later...
Hey, Papa.
What now?
More popcorn, please.
I am not making any more popcorn.
But my papa always makes more popcorn. You did say you were my papa, didn't you?
That kid is driving me crazy!